Hello, this is Christopher. Welcome back. Today we wanted to focus on helping you understand how to submit a blog to Familius.com. Again, the point of this is to aggregate content from all of our authors and people who are part of our Familius family so that they can get published and share that content with a wider audience. The wider the audience that we have and more robust, then the more discoverable your content is as they market that content through their own social media. So again, here we are on the home page. All you have to do once you have entered your username and password and signed in is click on your name in the far right hand corner and you will go to your profile. Again, you will have these green tabs. If you don't, simply email me and we can set you up to do this once approved to submit a blog, an article, a video, or everyone gets this proposal, which is where you can submit proposal ideas. And once you are approved, then we approve you to submit content. In this case, we'll be posting a blog. So I click on Post Blog. Now, you will come to the blog section where you can see and read other blogs that have been posted. Now, what you'll be focused on is this section right here that says Add Post. Now, yours will look a little bit different than this because I'm an administrator, but Add Post will be there. So click on Add Post. And again, we come to a very simple interface that allows you to submit content. I'm not going to give it a title right now. I'm simply going to copy and paste the content that I'd previously written in a Word document. I put it right here. This is formatted a little funny, so I'm going to exit that, and I'm going to then open up a word processing program, and I'm going to simply reformat that content so that it doesn't have that funky white space. I copy it again, paste it in there, and there it is. Now, I can format this. For example, I can change the font to Georgia, and I can change the size to 11 point. I might want to have this italicized, so I highlight it and click italics. Now I could add bullets, I could add a numbered list, I could do superscript, subscript, I could indent, I could center, I could do all sorts of things that make this a little bit more readable. I don't recommend that you concern yourself with linking it or adding images right now because Familius can do that for you. So once I have this in here, I give it a title, and this title will be Family Traditions. Okay. I have a title, but we're not done. I need to find a way to describe this. So I select what I think is the most descriptive element of the content, or I could write a separate one. In this case, I'll copy that. I go to Page Metadata. Now this is the data that helps it when you publish it and search engines look for it. They pull up this description. In this case, I'm going to paste that first sentence because I think it is fairly descriptive. Now I can add meta keywords like tradition, family, Halloween in this case, pumpkins, anything that we think would, it's nice to spell Halloween correctly, it's anything that we think someone would be searching for in order to find content to help them. Now once we have this, we don't recommend you hit submit here, go back to content, look at your article, make sure that there are no errors, and then you scroll down and you're going to have another interface here. Under do not pay attention to URL, this, you focus on categories. In this case, we'll focus on picking family fun activities and parenting and family. Maybe it has comedy too. Click on comedy. You will not have this section here, only the administrators will. And that allows us to review your content before it's published. You will also not have a start date. What you will have is a submit button. Okay? Once you've reviewed it and you're assured that you like it, simply hit submit. Once it's submitted, then you will receive an email that alerts you to the fact that this content has been submitted for publication. I will receive an email, or the Familius staff will receive an email that lets them know that a submission has been provided and it needs to be reviewed and scheduled for publication if it fulfills the Familias mission. So once it does, we will simply go to edit drafts, and this is on our side, not on yours. And what will happen is that we will see family traditions, and we can click on that and we can see your blog post, and we can do some more formatting, make sure it's edited correctly. Then we would click published, start date, and we can have save preview, and we can see what it looks like. People will be able to leave messages and create a discussion about the content that you create as well. That will be for another tutorial, and they'll be able to share it. Now we will add images and things to make it look a little bit more visually pleasing, so don't worry about that. But the point is, this gives you an opportunity to submit blog content. Now again, blog content is content that is short, usually under 500 words, that is focused on helping families think about their families, helping parents, anyone associated with family, think about how can they make their family a little bit better today. So that is a simple way of providing blogs and getting published and helping Familias fulfill its mission. Thank you very much.